In this lecture, we will learn how to find infinite geometric series for some problems. So we have two problems here. The first one, express this number we just keep repeating, 584, keep repeating, and we need to express this as infinite geometric series. And the second question is asking us to find the value of x in this equation and to list also the first term of the series after expressing this as one infinite geometric series. So let's get started with the first one. So here we have 0.584, 584, 584, and it just keep going like that, is equal to 0.584 plus 0.000584 plus, and we just keep adding the zeros, 0.003 times 0003 times 8584, and so on. So this number is equal to what? So let us consider this is our T1. We will need to find our R. So R is equal to 0.000584 divided by 0.584, which will give me 0.001. So I find my R. My R 0.001 is between -1 and 1. So yes, my series will be converge and has a sum. So the sum S is finite sum is the first term, which is 0.584 divided by 1 minus R, which is 0.001, which is 0.584 divided by 0.999, which is 584 divided by 999. So we just express this number as infinite geometric series. So now let's us do the second example. In the second example, our first term, so this is my first term, and I need to find my R. So my R is equal to T2 divided by T1, which is 3x divided by 1. So my R is 3x. So now I have my, they said this is an infinite geometric series that converges to a sum 4. So my S infinite sum is 4, which is my R is actually between -1 and 1. I know my infinite sum is the first term divided by 1 minus R, which is telling me that 4 is equal to the first term, which is 1, divided by 1 minus 3x. And now we just solve for x. So 4 times 1 minus 3x is equal to 1. So what we did here, we multiply by 1 minus 3x, we multiply by 1 minus 3x. So both sides, this one will cancel out, and we will get with this. So now I will divide by 4 to get this. 1 minus 3x is equal 1 over 4. So 3x is equal to 1 minus 1 over 4, which is 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is 3 over 4. And I will divide again by 3 because I have 3 here. So I will divide by 3 and I will divide by 3. So which will give me x is equal to 3 over 3 times 4, which is 1 over 4. So I just find my x. Now to find the other value, I will just replace it to find the other value. So 1 plus 3 times 1 over 4 plus 9 times 1 over 4 square, and so on, which is 1 plus 3 over 4 plus 9 over 16 plus 27 over 64, and it will keep going like that, plus